Namaskar, everyone, our dear viewers who have been with us since episode 1 of Falgun Mahotsav and who are also new and joined us with this episode. I, Acharya Sharma, welcome you all to our episode 5 of Falgun Mahotsav 2021. Hope your week was very good, and we all, as you know, have hurdles, challenges, and we go through limitations, but we still strive through, and sometimes there is no option left but to just go on and to cross the boundaries of our challenges and obstacles. So the universe wants us actually to know ourselves, to know our limitations. And this is not very different from dance. Dance, every type, including Kathak, that demands to strive and to strive. It's a very beautiful way of know your body, your limit of your body, your threshold point, overall the limitations. Today, I would like to talk about the strength and the flexibility of a dancer that he or she builds. I always talk about with my very talented and beautiful Kathak learners that it's only 20% that you give if you need perfection, you need to give 20% of your practice, your efforts, your body energy. What 80% is your dedication towards it. Your dedication to strive that 20% to reach your 100% for perfection. So when you give your dedication, the thing that you get is the strength, the stamina, the flexibility of your body, and what else you need for a beautiful dance or performing a beautiful dance. So with this, I want to invite our very talented guest of honor, Poonam Sharma ji, and before that, I would like to talk a little bit about her. She is a software developer and also a yoga practitioner, along with she is a very talented Kathak performer, Kathak artist, Kathak dancer. She has done her Sangeet Visharad in Kathak from Prayag Sangeet Samiti. And recently, last year in June 2020, she has been featured in the cover of Indian Talent magazine as a face of the month. She has done various Kathak workshops for Teach for India under the initiative of Times of India for underprivileged kids, and represented India and performed in High Commission of India, Colombo, and also International Dance Festival, Colombo. Not less than that, she has a long list of other performances. Few of them I will share with you. She has performed in Nritya Fest, Uran, Nritya Sanskriti. She's Kalakshetra Awards, Nrityanjali Dance Festival, Milap Festival, Kalakshetra Festival, Rangrasiya Dance Festival, Nityalaya Festival, which happened every year. So, ladies and gentlemen, with me, please welcome Poonam Sharma ji. Yes, Poonam ji, namaskar. How are you? Your video is little vertical, and yes, thank you so much. And you're looking very
beautiful. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, looking very lovely and beautiful.
Thank you so much.
And you are most welcome in our episode 5, and we are very happy to have you and your inspirational talks, and you share with us, with all the Kathak learners and other audiences who are who don't do dance, but they are lover of this dance. So before that, I would like to ask you, Poonam ji, where are you from basically, and yeah, your childhood, something.
Okay, I was born and brought up in Delhi only, And I have been living in Delhi all through my life, and my schooling and everything I have done from Delhi only. And I have been performing on stage since my school days. So various choreography, singing, dancing, everything.
Yes.
But I never got any formal training, and because I was too much into studies,
Yes.
and so, but that little bit of fire was there, that I want to let Indian classical dance. So I did my master's from Delhi University, and then I was already working as a senior software engineer.
Okay.
Then I started getting formal training for Kathak.
Beautiful.
And then this Kathak journey began.
And it's a beautiful journey for you. I can see with all your accomplishments that you have achieved.
Accomplishments, okay. Nothing is mine. It's all Guruji's. Even the words which are coming out of my mouth are of Guruji's only. Not literally, but you understand what I'm trying to say.
Yes.
That the Guru plants a seed in you, and then it becomes a tree, and then it bears flowers and fruits. So this is just like that. So nothing is mine. It's all Guruji.
Beautiful. And I am so with this, I would like you to tell other viewers the first performance that you are going to show us.
Okay. So more than a performance is just bowing down to the Guru. So we start with Vandana. And in our tradition, Guru, the place of Guru is above all the lords, all the gods. And that's how it goes. Gururu Brahma, Gururu Vishnu, Gururu Devo Maheshwaraha, Gururu Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. So before bowing down to all the lords, we bow down to our Guru. So that's how I will start today's event. So there could be no better way to start this evening.
Absolutely.
So I'll start with Guru Vandana. Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing this. A dedicated disciple is equally very difficult to find as a guru. A guru
yes.
that matches with you. Yeah, I'm very delighted from my heart. And so for all our viewers, Poonam Sharma ji has performed in a very beautiful Guru Vandana, and this is the first time that we are showcasing in our episode, and I would really love you to watch. We can stop our video. It was so beautiful, Poonamji, and every word. For those who know and for those who don't know, that Poonam Sharma ji has already explained a few words. And Poonam ji, I would like you, if you can explain these, difficult words, sometimes difficult for kids and for
Yes.
people who don't know. So a little bit of that after watching it.
Oh, okay. We all know about the Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. And there is one above all, which is Param Brahma.
Ji.
So it goes like this, that Guru ही Brahma है, Guru ही Vishnu है, Guru ही Maheshwaray है,
जी.
Guru in fact साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा है.
जी.
उस गुरु को मेरा प्रणाम है. That's the meaning of this Guru Vandana.
So beautiful. So I would like you to ask, like, how you got the inspiration to do only this dance form, Kathak, and how you got inclined towards this dance form, Kathak?
I was always inclined towards Indian classical, and somehow Kathak was very. It fascinated me a lot. It attracted me a lot. Because it's a very versatile dance. You know,
Yes.
there are so many variations in Kathak. So I wanted to learn Kathak only. I don't know. I loved it. You know, it's very difficult to logically put words when you love something. There is no logic behind it.
Yes,
It's just So that's how it was like that since beginning.
True love that you don't have.
You don't have any reason. You are just it's just pulling you towards it. Yes. So it was like that. So I'm not able to explain it properly into words.
We totally understand all the without saying also.
Yes.
Depth of it.
Yes. And luckily, in my first attempt only, I found my guru. I did not have to go places to find him. And when I was ready, when you are ready, a guru will appear. That's how it works.
Yes. So beautifully said. It should be, it's quoted to quote. When you are ready, you will find your guru.
Yes.
So beautiful. I would love. Obviously the viewers would love to see your next performance, and if you can say some words about that.
Yes. So my next performance will be Lakshan Geet. Lakshan means traits of somebody's personality. The title is Nirtat Dhang. Dhang means style. Nirtat as in so many styles. It's about Lord Krishna. His so many styles, his leelas, the way he moves, the way he dances. And since we are representing through dance, so how he dances, like he shows all the tal and lay and gati and all the little things we do in dance, like kataksh and bhav. So he shows all this, how he displays all this. So if you allow me to recite a few lines from this. So it goes like this. Laya gati dikhavat, laya gati dikhavat, hav bhav kataksh solang banavat, ग्रीवा डोलत मसक थिरकत, चलत ताल ही संग, निरतत ढंग. So it's so beautiful that even the tal follows him. He does not follow the tal. So
I forgot everything that I was just concentrating on the beautiful voice you have.
Yes. Oh, thank you.
No, seriously. And, are you also trained in singing? Or...
No. With my corporate job, I could only focus on Kathak. I wanted to, but I could not manage time to learn singing.
But you really have so beautiful voice, Manjan. Thank you very much for sharing.
Thank you so much.
And I personally, and I'm dead sure that our viewers have loved it. And I personally loved it. I feel like just you could not stop it and keep on singing.
Thank you so much.
So so this very beautiful words and with very beautiful voice after she has sing for us, and we would like to watch the performance on Nirtak Dhak by Poonam Sharma ji.
हरे बिंदा दीन पे कृपा करो प्रभु दुख नहीं
Poonamji, you were looking as beautiful as your voice that we have heard. And it was such beautiful. I have so many comments going on with me, that awesome and beautiful performance. And so I have asked for question and answers, and one of, I think, they've asked something about Kathak. I will take it. And it's like facial expressions are very nicely exhibited by Sonia ji and are in sync with the dance steps and the dance of Lord Krishna. And I'm very happy when a few others also who are just lovers of Kathak dance, who are not into that, still when they see such beautiful performance as yours, and they appreciate it, and they they have their little connection or vibration, you can say.
Yes, it's very refreshing actually, because everything is so westernized.
Yes.
And people who don't even understand, still they are into these things and they appreciate these things.
Yes.
It feels like, we are going in the right direction.
Yeah, right. Yeah, absolutely right. So one of them has asked, I think, so it's the same question as, when do you realize Kathak was your passion? So I think you already answered. If you can please share some moments.
I always wanted to learn Kathak, but this is my passion. I realized when I started learning, because it was too tough. I started very late, and there was too much of struggle. The body was not prepared. We have already grown up.
Yeah.
So too much effort was required, and still I kept going. Then I realized that actually it's my passion. That's why I am putting myself into this.
Wow.
So it became from translation from a dream to passion, happens when you realize that how much you are into it.
Absolutely.
Otherwise it just becomes a hobby.
Yes. Wow. So such beautiful, and I think it's very inspirational for all the adult learners who have started in the age after 30s or even 40s. If you have that passion with you, like Poonamji said, then you will put the effort.
Yes.
You will definitely put the effort.
Yes.
Such beautiful. With us, we have our special guest, Hiral ji, and she has been watching with us some of these performances. And I would like to welcome Hiral ji. Namaskar. How are you?
I'm good, Acharya. Pranam.
Namaskar.
Namaste, Poonam ji.
Namaskaram.
Hiral ji, first, I would like to ask you about yourself. If you can say a few words about you. Sure. Yourself to our viewers.
Yeah. So I'm Hiral Shah. I'm disciple of Guru Acharya Sharma. I'm originally from Gujarat, India. Currently living in Pennsylvania. And yeah, by profession, I'm IT engineer. So I can very well relate.
I didn't know. I forgot. Actually, I didn't know that. I have 2 IT people with me.
Yeah. So I can so much relate to what Poonam ji said, like about going from dream to passion, right? So I started learning Kathak almost 2 years back, along with my daughter, with the dream of performing with her one day, and like doing something with her. And so much inspiring what you said, like
Yes.
converting dream to passion, right? So I'm really, really looking forward for that because I'm definitely finding it challenging. I never had like any classical training, but it was just within me that I want to learn, and I want to learn Kathak. I don't know why, how. And as you said, right, when there is a wish within, you find Guru, and that's how I found
Yes.
Guru Acharya Sharma, and I'm so blessed. I can't
You
express
have
it.
actually touched the hearts of all those people who have already been watching us or will watch us. Actually, have said something which is actually it's like touching the chord of the heart.
Yes.
Okay, so Hiraji, how was your did you see the performances of Hiraji? Would you like to say something about those performances?
I'm amazed and speechless. I'm so amazed, like combination of doing so well in corporate along with such a beautiful voice, singing and dancing.
Thanks.
And
Yes.
yeah, and even both the dancing, right? Like they were so beautiful, so touchy, so graceful, like great combination of expression, confidence, technical
I cannot agree
perfection.
more than that.
Yeah.
I cannot agree more than that.
Thank you so much.
We all would love to see your next performance if you can say some
Yeah.
things about that.
Next is technical, pure technical. It's in Tal Dhamar. Tal Dhamar, it's my favorite tal for sure. And it has 14 beats, as in 14 matra, and 4 sections, 4 vibhag of 5, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay.
And it is a tal of Veer Ras, as in enthusiasm and utsah. It displays that. And the talis are on 1, 6, and 11, and the khali is on 8.
Wow.
And the bowl are ka, dhi, ta, dha, ga, ti, na, ti, ta, ta.
Beautiful.
So in this composition, I will be presenting few tihais, tukdes, Ahmad, Pramilu, Ashiv Paran, which my Guruji taught me, and some footwork. I hope you will enjoy it.
Definitely, and we are looking forward to it. Okay, dear viewers, we are going to watch a pure technical performance in Kathak by Poonam Sharma ji, and let's watch together. I would like to ask Hiral about the performance.
What could I say? Whatever I say would not be enough, but still it was like powerful performance, full of energy, chakkar
Thank
and
you.
expression, everything was
Everything.
amazing.
So
Yeah.
wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing, Poonamji. This beautiful, and you said that this is your favorite tal. And
Yes.
thank you so much for even explain the parant on it. Thank you very much. And
Thank you
I
so
would like
much.
our viewers to, I have been writing in the comment box, so the question and answer session is open if you want to ask Puranji about all the dance and the Kathak and any questions you have in mind related to this. You are most welcome. I will try to take the questions in between, and you can put your questions in the comment box throughout the episode. And yes, and Poonamji, I would like to just add in one your practice, which is yoga. And
Ah.
you have she has been practicing yoga, and I really want to know about it and the influence of Kathak with each other. Like, what is your view on that?
Okay. So I have been into yoga and meditation for like past 4 years now. And I started it just for my well-being, like everybody else.
Yes.
But it's much more than that. And so whatever we do with our lives, right now we are talking about dance. So what do we use for it? We use this machine. This is a machine, So how efficient it works, the best it works, the better will be your dance. It will be like that. So I'm talking about both mind and body. So if you are having some trouble, some struggles like with the spins or everything, so you try to practice that particular aspect. But along with that, if you try to what should I say, remove resistance from your body,
Yes.
or friction from your body and your mind,
Right.
make this the best possible machine on the planet. This is actually is, so take care of this, and everything you do with this will be wonderful.
Yes, I totally
Right.
agree with that. Yes.
So it brings balance. First of all, it brings balance to you. Whenever you practice yoga and meditation, it brings balance to both of your body and mind. And it will definitely help with your chakras and your postures and everything else. And there are so many other things I have learned, like there are visualization techniques. I didn't know about that. It's not just some wishful thinking or anything. There is a proper way to sit in a correct posture and visualize, which will eventually help you, getting to the correct posture and getting it right. And
Wow.
asanas are not different from postures. Asanas are called postures in English only, right? So there also we have postures here. Also we have postures, and mudras and everything. We have mudras there. We have mudras here. So it's not different. It's all connected. It's our traditional heritage, both of them,
Yes.
and they were designed scientifically and systematically.
Wow.
So it's not something random you pick from somewhere and just start practicing it. You should pay attention to what you are doing and just work on your machine, and it will do wonders for you.
Wow, beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing this very important aspect of the connection between Kathak and yoga. I have heard a lot, but I have not. I'm sure the viewers, some of our viewers also have come to know the connection between. And I think, like you said, it is the doing that. Like I was also talking before the starting of this episode. Like it helps you to know your body limitations and then how to overcome that.
Yes.
Very beautiful. Thank you so
Yes.
much. Puramji, I would like you to watch one of my students. She
Wow.
is 9 years of old, and she has been learning since a few months
Okay.
in Kathak. And her name is Swara Raurane, and she is very expression. She has a lot of expressions, and they're like sweet dance that she has performed for all of us in Kathak. And it's on Kanha again, but it's taken from the song as Kanha Soja Zara, and she has tried to do Kathak on it. And the concept is that for the viewers, before we play the song, is when Radha is telling Kanha to sleep and he's not sleeping, he's still doing mischief. And ultimately what happened, Radha got so tired and she actually slept herself by herself on Kanha's shoulders. So I hope that you will enjoy it. And Poonamji, I would like you to really bless her so that she can go forward in her Kathak. Yeah, I will try to play the song. Poonamji,
She's 9.
from you.
She's 9.
She is 9 years.
Oh my God.
And she has all dreams like her. All the kids who are learning like kids, they have the dreams in their eyes about Kathak. Yeah, please.
No, but first of all, her expressions were on point. But that's not the difficult part. She did not break the character even for a moment.
Yes.
No, we can get expressions, but to maintain it throughout the composition,
Yeah.
believe me, at this age, even at this age,
Yes.
it's very difficult.
Thank you so much.
She connected to the audience just from the first beat, and that, I think that's something which is given to her, and obviously your training also.
God gifted. Yes, she is. No,
Yes.
expression is God gift to her. And
Yeah, she was into the character all the time, you know. That's why she could connect it so well.
yes.
So God bless her.
Thank you so much. And I would also like your blessings for all the other of the little Kathakars we have. So yeah, the dream that they see, so one day they will perform like you.
You are their blessing already. They have you.
No, we all are interconnected with each other.
Yes, yes.
Yes, thank you so
So,
much.
that was really surprisingly beautiful. Seriously.
Thank you. I thought to add something so that you can bless our little kids here who are trying, who are actually born here. Some are born here, even not have brought up here, and it's very difficult. Hilalji knows
Yes.
it's very difficult for us to explain them the authenticity and
Yes.
the Indian
Yes.
culture we have. Still, they're striving.
Yes.
They're learning. They have long way to
No,
go.
if they have the fire within themselves, they will definitely find a way.
Yes, yes.
They will find a way. There are resources. There are things. You will get access to it. Just be willing every time.
Thank you so
It's
much.
all your willingness.
Yes, I agree. Hilalji,
My blessings and my congratulations to all the little kids and to the girl who just performed. Swara, she was wonderful.
thank you.
Even I can learn from her how not to break the character.
Oh, that's you. You would like to say something and ask any questions?
Yeah, regarding Swara's performance, flawless. And yeah, she's the queen of expression. So as Puramji said, like, yeah, she was into the character throughout. So amazing.
And thank you so much, Hilalji. Yeah, if you have, do you have any questions for Poonamji?
I do have a lot of questions, but I will ask one considering the time limit. So Poonamji, as you said, right, like you are in corporate, juggling with many things in a day. So how you balance stuff out, right? Like between your passion and professional life, or like there are more than that, right? Happening in a day. So how you prioritize things and
Yes.
be happy at the end of the day, kind of.
You know that how a corporate job is like, right?
Yep.
It's no day and night, nothing. We have clients from US or UK or Canada. There are meetings late nights, there are weekends, and then you have to find time for your classes also, your practices also. So it's a bit of a struggle, and so they seek flexibility from us to be available 24/7. So it's a deal that I need flexibility from you also, that you will let me go to my classes. And also, like one thing I also want to add, that to balance something, or to try to balance something, try to find motivation for something, it for me it only comes when you are doing it unwillingly, right? If you're too much into something, if you're too willing for something, you do not need any external motivation or something else. It's like getting up in the morning and brushing your teeth. You anyway will do it.
Yes.
Initial struggles are there just to manage time. So what I do, that I go to the classes in the evening or for my riyaz, and then I log in during the night at 10 p.m, sometimes at 11. So that's, we sleep at like 3 or 4. Sometimes we do that. But the willingness has to be from within. If you're not willing, you will watch TV for 2 hours. You will not do anything else.
Yes.
So managing time is struggle initially, but after some time, like, it becomes a part of your routine.
Right.
After like 2-3 years, it will be your routine only.
Yes.
So it's not something you are doing separately. And after a while, it becomes that you are managing your job with your dance. So dance is the main thing. You are managing everything around it. The tables are turned.
Yeah, and that is for nobody else. That is for your own self. You take care of yourself. That's why you're giving the priority.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Beautiful.
And health also plays a very big role. If you are in a good health, and physically and mentally both,
Right.
it becomes easier for you to manage things. So the first and foremost thing is that take care of your health. If you're lethargic and everything, there is no motivation. There is nothing to strive for.
It's
No,
really, the beautiful lessons. We only see the dance. We forget all the aspects around us, around that particular thing that we have to take care of, which ultimately helps.
Yes.
Poonamji, can you please say something about your next performance? I'm very eager to watch it now.
I will be next I will be presenting Thumri, which is the Bhav Paksh, Abhinay Paksh of Kathak. And in this Radha is trying to go to the bank and with her pot and everything, and obviously Krishna will not let her do that. It's a very playful interaction between the two. He's teasing her, he's trying to break her pot and everything. She's pretending to not like it, she's pretending that she wants him to go, but actually she doesn't want him to go. So that's a very playful interaction between the two. Wow. And he is trying to block her way. The bowl of the Thumri are like Magro ko nare savariya, sheesh liye hu main gagariya. Don't block my way. I'm carrying a very heavy pot. But she wants him to block her way. So that's the beauty of it.
That's the beauty of it. Beautiful. And these all stories have come from our ancient, very ancient.
Yes.
You carved all these things. So
yes.
Let's watch a beautiful Thumri that Poonamji already have explained. And
दूर जगत पर धरती छाड़ मोरी बलिया मारूंगा मारूंगा काकरिया मारूंगा मारूंगा काकरिया मत रो तुम्हारे सबरिया मत रो तुम्हारे सबरिया शीश लिए हूँ मैं गागरिया शीश लिए हूँ मैं गागरिया मगरो तुम्हारे सावरिया मगरो तुम्हारे सावरिया सावरिया
Beautiful expressions, Poonam ji. Hiral ji, would you like to say something? And I have all the words for me, so I would like you to say.
No, again, amazing performance and very touchy. Like I could connect from beginning to end. And as I said,
so
right,
much.
I'm speechless. Whatever I will say will not be enough.
And I love your all the various dresses, the costumes you have, and the way you opened your hands to see your eyes and everything is looking so beautiful at the end. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Hiraji, I would take one more question from you, as you said that you have lots. So, yes.
Yeah, I would like to ask, like, what advice you would give to learners like me who started say a few years back, or like little kids or whoever going to start learning soon, especially the classical dance. Any piece of advice?
For adults, I have personal experience, so I can share a few things that first of all, take care of your health, which I've already said, because it's going to degrade over the time. So you need to put efforts to maintain this. And another thing is that do not rush through it. Do not rush on learning different compositions and everything. Stick to your basics. Keep practicing your basics and keep learning your basics. Because learning multiple compositions is not going to help you. But if you learn your basics well, you can learn multiple compositions like that.
Yes.
Right.
Very true.
And blindly trust your guru.
So true.
Blindly, just close your eyes and follow your guru.
Yes.
And if you do not get time to do your riyaz or anything, so you can just sit and close your eyes just for 15-20 minutes and try to visualize it. Not just imagine, visualize. It will create the same sensation in your body while you're actually doing it. It's called daydreaming in layman terms, basically, and it works. And have patience. It's not going to happen overnight, right? So it will happen to you for like 2 years. So I'm putting so much effort, nothing is happening. It is happening. You are not able to notice it yet. Your body, for starting years, your body is adapting to it.
Yes.
It is getting prepared. So you have to have patience. The output will not be seen so soon. It's like a homeopathic medicine.
Yes.
Right.
It's not an allopathic medicine.
Like you said.
So just have patience. Yeah,
Yes.
you just have patience and just keep doing it. One day it will click like that, and you will not even realize, okay, finally it's working.
Yes.
And another thing I have experienced is that you should watch your diet. There are some foods which make you lethargic. And probably maybe before going for a performance or before going for a class or riyaz, you should watch what you're eating, right?
Okay.
So that you're not lethargic and all those things. And also your riyaz and everything, you should systematically plan, not just random getting up and okay, fine, today I'll do this and do that. Just take your guru's suggestion. How should you do your practices also? Some things might naturally come to you. Some things might be difficult for you.
Yes.
So you need guidance even to how to do your riyaz.
Right.
And rest is all your determination.
Very
Just have patience, nothing else.
Very
Just-
beautiful points that you have marked as fast as be patient and not so fast and learning.
Yeah, don't
the
rush into it.
basics. Yeah,
Don't
understand
put your eye on the goal that I want to do this, I want to do this, because it will keep moving further away. Once you attempt that thing, your goal will be it changes. Just be with the process right now. What I'm doing, I'll totally with the process. Something wonderful will come up.
Yeah, while you were saying, I was like thinking about it's very similar to someone is going to work out or gym or losing weight, something related to that. We cannot get output. And this beautiful example that you said, like the seed to a tree, it will not grow in one day.
Yes.
Beautiful. Yeah, Hilalji, thank you very much for being with us. And we have really loved the conversations we have together. And yes, do you want to say something to our viewers or Poonamji before leaving?
Yeah, so thanks to all the viewers for being with us and supporting us throughout. And thank you, Acharya, for giving me such a great opportunity to be here today. And thank you, Poonamji, for all the great advice.
Yes, it really helps.
So
Yes.
lucky to get a chance to talk with you. Thank you.
Pleasure is all mine.
Pranam.
Pranam. Thank you so much,
Pranam.
Hilalji. So we have a lot of talk and the beautiful questions that it was all in our mind, but yeah, Hilalji has asked all the questions that we wanted to ask from Poonamji. We would like to you to say something about the next performance, which is
I will be presenting Tarana.
Yes.
And Tarana is basically a composition of few words, Tadim, Derena, Din, Odani, Tirdani, like that. So with these few words only, beautiful compositions are created. That is the magic of it.
Yes.
So many Taranas are there with those words only and different tals.
Yes.
And one Tarana also has so many variations. We beautify it with tukdas, gath, tihais.
Beautiful.
So that's really very creative and magical.
Yes.
So
nice.
I'm going to present Tarana next, which is in Teen Tal.
Okay.
So I hope you like it.
Yes, definitely. We will love it. Okay.
Ni Thank you.
was as equally as powerful and graceful. It's a beautiful combination, and the expressions that Poonamji you have added to it, and with all the eye movements, it's very beautiful. It's like keep on watching.
Thank you so much.
Yes, and viewers, I'm not sure. I will not say I'm sure that I know that they are actually loving it, and it's beautiful. And I would like you to ask one thing, like about Kathak. Like, how do you would you like to take this Kathak forward in your life for others? I mean, what do you think about it?
Okay. Right now, actually, since it has become a part of my routine, I've taken up yoga also.
Yes.
So my plan is like from next 2 to 3 years, I work on myself and get trained in Hatha Yoga. And then the marriage between the two, yoga and dance, I feel that it's going to produce something really wonderful.
Yes, definitely.
So that's right now I'm just experimenting on myself, that if I do this asana, if I do this, what changes I've experienced within myself.
Yes.
It is improving my balance, it is improving my footwork, it is improving my focus, different things, do different things to you. So there instead of picking out some random exercise or something just to lose weight and dance,
Yes.
there has to be a system,
Yes.
particularly which works for Kathak, or different people have different struggles and fortes. So
Yes.
if somebody is struggling with something, they should be taught a different asana or different posture. If you're getting my point. So
Yeah, definitely.
different different people have different
Amazing,
struggles,
I
and
can just imagine.
yeah.
It's called
So
Natya
yes,
and yoga. Very beautiful.
so we can merge these two, and that's what my vision is. And let's see, Guru's grace is there.
Yeah, I mean, with all this global thing that you will come up in future, we all really bless you from our heart that you achieve whatever you want to, and whatever you want to, and whenever you want to.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you very much.
I would. I cannot stop myself from listening one more time, Poonam, if I request you to sing that. Yeah, I know. We put down for us a little bit part, because it was like very beautiful. I really want you to sing few lines for us again. It's like repeated request from myself.
Okay.
And, yeah, you can just like only 2 lines. That's it. Like, then we will.
Niratat dhang, niratat dhang, bahe pavan mand sugandh, sheetal pavan mand sugandh, sheetal bansi bhatkat निकट जमुना, वृंदावन की कुंज गलिन में, राधे गोपी उमंग, निरतत ढंग, निरतत ढंग.
Thank you so much. It's like amazing. And I was just watching them comments, and somebody also has requested, please to sing. Your voice is amazing. Along with me, it's Meena. And thank you so much, Poonam ji, for being with us. And it was an amazing episode with you. Definitely, with all the important learnings that you have given to all the viewers, especially the Kathak learners, and from irrespective of the age. And if you would like to say something to the viewers, most welcome.
Thank you all who have been with us until now. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for watching. Thank you for appreciating. Thank you for all the wonderful comments. And thank you, Acharya Shama. And it was really nice interacting with somebody who shares the same passion. You have, I mean, I think you agree with me that this 1 hour, or it's very less.
Yeah,
we can go on and on and on.
I agree.
Yeah, so it's so refreshing, and it's so nice to talk to somebody who is on the same page. So
Yes.
thank you for doing this. It's a wonderful initiative.
And
And
I really loved because after meeting you after so long, approximately
yeah,
8 to 10 years, and once more, I would definitely come to India and meet you. And whenever you get a chance, we would love you to be here with us. Definitely.
yeah. Whenever we won't leave it to chance. You just come here and just drop a message. I'll come to meet you.
Thank you so much for your yes generosity. Thank you so much, Poonamji. I'll take leave from you, and thank you for your precious time with all the things that you do, and with all the uh, gem uh, gem of the ideas that you have shared with us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Acharya Sharma. Thank you very much. It was lovely.
Yes, I agree.
This evening was one of the most memorable experiences of my life.
Yes. From me too, definitely. You can copy paste that.
Yeah, technical terms, no copy paste.
Yes. Thank
So
you.
this won't leave us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Namaskaram.
Namaskar. So, dear viewers, we had like amazing episode with Poonamji, and I would like to inform a very important thing that due to unfavorable conditions or situations, we will not be able to telecast our tomorrow's episode. But we will be coming back definitely next weekend, which is on 17th of April, Saturday, with a new guest of honor, new guest, special guest, beautiful performances, and amazing motivational talks like this about dance, art, human, everything. Thank you so much. Namaskar.